Can
You
you
hear me
hear me?
okay? Yeah, I can
Yeah.
hear you great.
Okay. So thank you so much for joining in this meeting. I was really excited to meet with you. So, okay. Okay. Hey,
Hi, nice to meet you.
thank you. Nice to meet you too. So how's going your day, brother?
It's going very well. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Okay. So,
Great.
already, I have already audited our previous campaign and whole ads account. And
Yeah.
I have figured out some improvement area in our previous campaign. So I have already
Okay.
mentioned it on the doc file.
hmm
And interesting thing is I have already researched the keyword for our campaign. Yeah. So now I just need your permission to start my task. Like my task process is like at first I will track the conversion, like the without the Google Ads conversion tracking. Google AI not understand what kind of service we provide and what type customer are our relevant,
Okay.
and that's why we need to track our Google Ads conversion tracking. And also we need track like the two things, one is browser side and two is the server side. uh, Browser side means like when any people visit our website, like the Android phone or the Windows
hmm
user, then the Google
Yes.
AI able to track this type customer. and
Understood.
and the server side tracking means like when any people visit our website, the iOS device, the iOS server is very secure. So that's why we need to server side tracking as well. So yeah, I will
hmm
do that, no problem.
Okay.
And another thing is I will do the Microsoft Clarity to track our customer user experience through video. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the tracking part, and I have already like the research the keyword, and if you give me permission, the keyword is going well, and then I will go ahead with writing the headline and description, and after that I will run the campaign. So what do
Okay.
you think about that?
I mean, it sounds good. So when you create the ad, you write the headlines. We get a chance to review that, I assume, before it's actually implemented live.
Like live implemented?
Well, so after you write the headlines and develop the ads, we can review it before you actually run the ad campaign, correct?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I will
Okay,
write the
very
headline
good.
and description and send a update, and then you
Great,
just audit the everything. And if you feel everything
great.
is going well, then I will go ahead.
And we can just pause our current campaigns so we kind of keep them for now, right?
Yeah, definitely, because our
Uh,
campaign algorithm is like just because that we are not track the conversion tracking before, so
Yeah,
the
yep,
algorithm is mismatch, like data is mismatched. So we just
yep,
fix that.
yep. Very good. What is the cost to do what you're proposing?
Like monthly basis or only setup?
I'd like to do the setup and then just make sure that goes well, but we would certainly use you for monthly. We just want to start with just setting it up, make sure it's smooth, and then we'll move forward from there.
Yeah, I would actually, to be honest, I would love to at first set up everything, and then if you feel I am the right person, and
Mm.
also I am comfortable with you, and also you comfortable with me, then we will go ahead.
hmm
Yeah. So for the
Mm.
setup, everything like the campaign setup, I am like I will set up the campaign based on the uh, like the 4 or 5 ad group, and I will make the like every ad group I will make a 2 ads. Okay, 2 ads
Okay.
means like the 30 headlines, and that.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the campaign setup and all everything like the tracking setup, everything, you just give me like, could you please tell me your convenient budget for that?
The budget, well, honestly, I don't know what the budget is, frankly. I don't
Yeah.
I don't know what I mean, I'm honestly kind of relying on you to tell us what it costs, and then we'll figure out if we can, afford it, if it makes
Uh,
sense for us.
yeah, actually, I really love your profession. You are very senior, so I really respect you. And to be honest, I want to build up a good relationship with you. So for the setup, generally the campaign setup and the conversion tracking setup, generally I charge like the 100 or 120. To be honest,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
I really love your cool behavior. That's only for you. It's $100, like the campaign setup and
Hmm.
conversion
Yeah,
tracking,
that's fine.
everything. Yeah.
That's fine. And what's the monthly? Are you saying that's the one time cost, and then monthly is how much, or what? I want to make sure I understand.
Okay. Like the like everything set up, I need the $100. But if you
Yeah.
think you want to monthly basis, then it's like additional another $100, like the total the 200.
Okay. So are you saying 200 a month, or 200 for so 100 for setup and then 100 a month, or is it 200 per month?
No, no. 100 for setup,
Hmm.
and for optimization and managing 1 month,
Hmm.
200.
Okay, got it. Perfect. I understood correctly. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds fine with me. I just have to. I'm not the owner of the business. I'm a consultant that works with him, but he doesn't know anything about technology. He'll do whatever I tell him to do. So I just
Hmm.
need to get his approval. But I'm 100% sure that we want to do it. That I can say with certainty. I just need to go through that formality and make sure. I already talked to him about it. It's fine. So we would love to do the setup. And then I, so far, I'm very impressed. I think you're going to do it, and we're going to sign up for monthly. I can't imagine we wouldn't. You seem very focused, very knowledgeable. So we'll just start with that setup, and then from there, if everything goes smoothly, we'll sign up for monthly. I can promise that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Actually, I
Hmm.
truly I truly believe that when like the campaign going well, then definitely you hire me like the monthly basis. So
Yeah,
yeah. Okay.
very good.
So yeah. So for starting my the like the tracking part, I need our website backend access. I noticed that
Yeah,
our website CMS is like Squarespace, right?
that's right. Yep.
Yeah, so you just give me the Squarespace backend access for implement our
Yep.
Google Tag Manager code.
I will do that. I just have to log into that account, and then yeah, I've done that before. I'll be able to do that. I just need to. I have multiple accounts I manage, so I need to make sure I send you the right one. But
Okay,
let
take
me
time, no problem.
see. Yeah. I'll get it. Yeah, I'll get it right away. So okay, right away, as in today. I will send it to you. I will add you today.
Okay, so if you give me permission, then I will send the offer right now. And if you
Great.
accept that, then I will start the writing headline and description and make a funnel.
Good. Yeah. It might take um It might take till tomorrow before I accept, because like I said, I need to talk to the owner of the law firm. But it's guaranteed, but I need to make sure I get paid from him, and because it's going to go through me, but I need him to pay me, and I just need to make sure everything's correct. Okay, so it might be tomorrow before I accept it.
Okay, no problem. So when you are talk you like the teammate maybe, so then you just let me know. Then after that, I will send the offer. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem about that.
Yeah. That sounds good. I look forward to seeing the offer. Yeah, I just got into the back end, and I'll be able to add you, and then yeah, send the offer. I may be able to do it today. I just want to make sure I set appropriate expectations with you. So
Okay.
okay,
And
and yeah,
Mhm.
go ahead.
Okay. So another thing is, yesterday you gave me the ads account access, like the view only, read only access. So could you please change
Yes,
it?
yes, absolutely. Yep,
Okay. You just
I can do that.
convert in the standard access.
Yep, I can do that.
Okay. So everything is fine. After the
Okay.
call, I will
Yeah.
go ahead writing the headline and description.
Okay.
And when
Can
you able,
you? Yeah. Go ahead.
okay, yeah, you go ahead. No problem.
The question is whether you can, and this will come after you create everything, but we would like recommendations on how much ad spend to go with. I mean, you can see what we're currently spending. I would like for him to increase the amount that he's spending, but not too much. We'll slowly increase the amount he's spending if we see success. So
Mhm.
we'd like your recommendation on how much to spend on these ads as well. Okay,
Yeah.
is
Actually,
that
you know
something
that.
you can help with, or?
Mhm.
We just want to optimize it for now. We want to optimize it. So I understand sometimes, so in the past we were spending too little on ads and it was causing problems. So I'd like to know your recommendation once we get to that point.
Okay, so one on another offer for you.
Yeah.
I know that I have already audited the ads account, so I noticed that we have already one campaign, like the two campaign. One is PPC campaign for the lead collecting, and the another campaign is the Google My Business, like the GMB campaign, like the smart campaign it's
Hmm.
called. So one offer for you, if you think our previous campaign going well, if we optimize that, then I will, it's the second option for you. Then I will track only the conversion and optimize our previous campaign and see the 7 days or 10 days. And after that, if we feel our previous campaign going well, then we just optimize then the previous campaign.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
but after 10 days, if we feel the previous campaign not going well, then we run a new campaign.
Okay. So you're saying instead of setting up the new campaign, you just optimize the current campaign, and then
Yeah.
if that's going well after 10 days, then we won't
Mm.
worry about creating new campaigns, correct?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay.
So, oh, another thing is, if you choose my number two option, then it's not $100, it's $50.
I'm not so worried about the money. It does. We are getting clients through it, but I feel like it's not optimized. So it might be good to start with that. It might be good to start with that.
Yeah. Actually, our previous campaign, everything is good, like the keyword and the headline. To be honest, good, but the
Mm.
conversion tracking is missing because it is the
Yeah.
most important thing.
So are you saying? I mean, is there much that we can optimize on the current campaign? Is there anything we can optimize? So the problem is we're not getting a lot of. I think I messaged a couple people, but I'm gonna drop the other ones. I really like you. Um Yeah, I can't remember if I asked you about that. We want more DUI, so driving under the influence. We want more of those cases, and we're not getting as many calls on that. We would like to increase the traffic of DUI/OWI cases. Is there something you can do to help optimize for that?
Actually, if we focus on one service or like the one thing, then we need to create a new campaign for
Oh,
like the
okay.
particular campaign.
Because right now it's just one of the ad groups, I believe, has a DUI, but so you're saying we would create a new DUI campaign,
Yeah.
most likely, rather than using the current ad group that's part of one of the campaigns. Is that right?
Yeah, right. But the another thing is like our ultimate goal, if the getting customer like the relevant client customer,
Yeah.
so we run a like the display campaign for getting customer, and then when we get some customer, then we just
Mhm.
remarketing our campaign, and then we run a PPC campaign about the like which you call like a DIY service, right?
TUI. Yeah.
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 Yeah, it's the like
Okay.
another marketing strategy. But for the for this type business, PPC campaign like the pay per click campaign, it's
Hmm.
going well every time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, I guess what are you suggesting? What do you think the best thing to do is if we want to increase DUI, but also keep the other calls that are coming in? We don't want to just focus on DUI, but we want more DUI calls. Do you think it's best to do a new campaign focused on DUI, but keep the two old campaigns?
Yeah, yeah. Like the we run a new campaign for promote our one specific
Hmm.
service, and beside we
Yep.
run a like our current campaign for through the like use the whole website. Then
Yeah.
our current project day by day going well, and then our new campaign for the specific campaign day by day
Hmm.
getting more clicks, impression, like some conversion.
Okay.
Yeah,
So so if I'm understanding correctly, you're saying we keep running the ones we're running now, but also create a DUI campaign that's
right.
specifically DWI. So there's different ways in the US that it's referred to. It's DUI is kind of the common term in all 50 states, but legally different states have different initials. In Indiana, and it's OWI, I believe, and operating while intoxicated, I think. So we do want DUI, but we also want to make sure that OWI is included in there. And then there's DWI, other states have. So some people use different words. So we want to make sure we have all of those variations, but I just wanted to specify that. So if we want you to optimize the current campaigns and also create a new OWI campaign, how much do you charge? How much would you charge us for that?
um for the new campaign and optimize and also the conversion tracking.
Optim
Yeah,
Yes, that's
so
right.
it's like the conversion tracking for conversion tracking the $50, and the new campaign
Hmm.
setup for
Yep.
only setup the $50, and the optimization for 7 or 10 days it's $50. Then the total is 150.
Okay, that should be good. That should be fine. If you can do that, create a new campaign, optimize the other campaign, set up conversion tracking,
Hmm.
that's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
it's
We'll
only
approve.
for it's basically it's the 7 days, but for you it's 10
Yeah.
days.
Yeah, yeah, understood. And then if we want to go to the month after those 10 days, how much do
Yeah,
we pay then after those 10 days? Do we pay 200 after those 10 days
no,
or what?
no,
No?
no,
Okay.
no. Like that's 10 days later, if you hire me like the monthly basis, then you give
Yep.
me that like 150 because I have already
Oh,
set
okay.
up everything.
Understood. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And then every month after that, what is the cost? I just want to make sure. Sorry, I'm repeating the question, but so
No,
understand that. And then the next month, how much is the cost to have you continue managing for the whole month?
at first, please keep in mind, I have
Yeah.
like I cannot give any guarantee about the leads and
No,
calls.
no, no, no. I understand. I understand.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I
Yeah.
will 100% ensure that I will apply the right strategy and
Yep.
maintain the smart marketing plan. So it's the
Great.
100% ensure that, but I cannot give any guarantee. As a business
No, no,
owner,
no. I
you know
understand.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
Of
logical.
course, of course.
Yeah.
But I'm just
So
asking, yeah, what the cost is monthly after that first month. Yeah.
okay. So if you give me like if you promised me, hey Mahbub, we will make a good relationship, then
Hmm.
the next month you just pay me $100. If
Okay.
you want,
Perfect.
if you want the next month, if you want, hey Mahbub, I need another new campaign and also optimization,
Different. Yeah.
it's a different.
Understood. Yeah.
Then it's $100. Okay, no
Yeah.
need to pay another. Okay,
Perfect. Perfect. Great.
yeah,
Okay, that's all sounds good. I just want to make sure I understand. That's perfect. Okay.
yeah.
That's very good. I appreciate it. There's other businesses I
Thank you.
work with. I have businesses that I may potentially use some Google
Hmm.
ads on and
Hmm.
so this is great. I would love to have a relationship with someone who's very competent at this and I will have other business for you. I work with other law firms as well, so there will be occasions where I need somebody. So this is great.
Okay,
All
yeah,
right.
I'm really excited to work with you.
Good. Yeah, I'm excited to
Not
work with
one
you as
month,
well.
it's like the 6 month or 1 year.
Yes, yes. We need somebody to take care of it every month. And if we started doing monthly, you would be able to meet with us briefly every month and talk about the performance. And because the lawyer that owns the firm, he would love to hear from somebody that shows the graphs on Google Ads and explains what's happening. I mean, even just 15 minutes, he would be very happy.
Oh, my thing is like you give me the order. It's not like you give me money through the order, but from
Yeah.
my side, it's not only money. It's one kind of big like responsibility. So yeah, definitely. If we like you want, hey Mahbub, you run the campaign, but I need the every 7 days. We need to meet
Mm,
like the one a meeting for our the whole campaign performance, then definitely I have enough time to meet with you.
very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need a long time. He doesn't understand technology at all. I do, though I don't. I have a degree in computer science, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't know a lot about Google Ads. So that's why we're hiring you. I don't want to do it. So I'm so happy that you're on the other side there doing it because I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
So I'm very grateful. Okay, very good. That sounds very, very good. So go
Yeah.
ahead and send that over, and then either tonight or early tomorrow, we'll
Mm-hmm.
get it. We'll get that paid for and get it started.
Okay. So, it's the very late night, like the 2
Yeah.
a.m. So if
Oh
you,
gosh.
yeah, so if you give me permission, then I will send the offer right now. And then you just, like when you are
Very good.
available, then just accept it. Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Yep.
So right now I will send the offer for 150 or 50.
Um, let's do let's do 150. Let's just go for it. We'll
Okay.
take that chance. We'll take that chance. And I think it's a good it's a good chance. I'm very confident in what you're going to do. So let's
Yeah.
do 150. The 150.
Okay.
Are you on the
150.
same same time zone as India or different time zone in Bangladesh?
India and Bangladesh time, like the 30 minutes difference.
Oh, okay, just 30, because India's on a half hour from it's whatever it is, but it's 30 minutes. It's so strange that it's a 30-minute difference. So okay,
Yeah.
so you're 30 minutes behind or ahead of India?
Uh, Bangladesh 30 minute, the ahead, right now the India time is 1:30 a.m. and
Okay.
yeah, and
And you're
Bangladesh
what
time
time in
is
Bangladesh? Yeah.
2 a.m.
Okay, perfect. Understood. Great. So you're 11 hours off of us. So, okay, 11 hours. Yeah, you're 11 hours off of where are we? Okay, that's great. That's easier to remember than India. So, I have a friend who's in India for the next month. So, that's why I asked because I can kind of keep track of his time zone. So, now I understand. It's way easier to keep track of yours than his. So, that's great. The
Oh,
30
and
minutes makes it confusing. Yeah.
okay. So brother, another thing is, that our maximum client time zone is like the midnight in our country. So I am
Yeah.
like maximum time available on Fiverr. That this time is like the 2 a.m. But
Mm,
so I'm
it's
the
too
active.
late.
Yeah. So if you have any question or any suggestion, you just send me a message. Hey, Mahbub, I have a
Yeah.
question. No
Very good.
problem.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, understood. And you're around, so you would be more likely around. I appreciate you being up so late, but so 8 a.m. for us, that's usually when I talk to my friend in India. So I assume like so that would be what for you? Is that 7 p.m., I guess? I think 8 a.m. would be 7 p.m. for you. Is that a, is that a good time to reach out to you? Like like
Like you time or my time?
Morning, so 7 a.m. or I'm sorry, 8 a.m. for us is 7 p.m. for you. Like, I'm just trying to figure out if we were going to meet with the attorney, what we would do eventually. Not, it's not important right now, but I'm just trying to plan for the future.
Oh.
Um, I'm just asking if we would meet you in our morning, your evening, if that's the kind of thing that would work for you.
I before said, if you have any need, then you just anytime knock me anytime, because
Okay.
I have set
Uh,
up a big alarm in my phone. Like when any people, like any customer send me a message on Fiverr, then my phone is look like a boom.
Ah, okay, got it. Nice. Okay, perfect, perfect. All
Yeah.
right, that's very good. I'm gonna
Okay.
go. I have to go. I just realized I have to pick my daughter up from school, so I have to go. But I will be looking for the offer, whatever you call
Mhm.
it, the offer on Fiverr, and then we'll accept that and pay for it and get started. And I'll give you access to the back end and also full access to Google Ads. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. And after the call, I will write this requirement. Okay, like the backend
Very good.
access. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
All
So
right.
brother, I have just sent the offer. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good, Mahbub. Thank you very much.
Okay. So bye for now.